Japanese temari sushi. It is small sushi balls. Okay, let's enjoy cooking. First, mix the seasonings for the vinegared rice. 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, 1.5 tablespoon of vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix them well. Sprinkle the seasonings onto 180 grams of rice and mix well. Be careful not to crush the rice at this time. The vinegared rice is completed. Next, cut the raw fish sashimi. Slice the sashimi into 25mm squares and 5mm wide. Slice the salmon in the same way. Form sushi balls. Line the small bowl with plastic wrap. Place the sashimi on top. Add 1 teaspoon of vinegared rice. Wrap them in plastic wrap and form into a bowl. The sushi bowl is completed. Make sushi balls using Yellowtail in the same way. Form the remaining sushi in the same way. You can arrange the salmon and the yellowtail alternately to arrange them neatly. Beautiful Japanese temari sushi is completed. Let's eat temari sushi with soy sauce and wasabi. Wasabi has a unique spiciness, so I think some people don't like it, but it is really delicious when eaten with sushi. Authentic Japanese sushi is very delicious, but if you have fresh raw fish, you can even make delicious sushi at home. When making sushi, use fish that is meant to be eaten raw, like Japanese sashimi. Please buy some sashimi and enjoy temari sushi at your home. Thank you for your viewing. How was Japanese temari sushi? Don't you think it looks so yummy? Please try it. If you enjoyed this video, please check my YouTube channel and the like button. I'm looking forward to your comments. See you next week. Bye!